Good morning, Erica. We've been hearing lots of concerns coming from school superintendents, teachers, staff, and parents about what reopening would look like come this fall. We know the state has issued guidelines for school districts. It will include wearing face masks for not only staff and students. There's also going to be cohorting and social distancing. And we know that there are three different reopening options that parents could pick from. The first option would be the first typical 5-day week where students will be attending in-person classes. The second option is just strictly online learning. And the third option is a mix of not only in-person but also online learning. Just this week, lawmakers joined school leaders and parents in Hartford. School leaders worry about under-resourced districts that can't provide students with enough laptops or tablets. And they tell us they fear their students will fall through the cracks.
For us, it was our students that are English learners, our students with exceptionalities, and the students that were homeless.
And that right there was Superintendent Dr. Leslie Torres for the Hartford School District. Later this morning, we plan on hearing from U.S. Senator Chris Murphy. He will be joining the superintendent in Waterbury just to talk about some of the challenges they were facing when school closed back in March and they turned to online learning, but also looking ahead into the fall and just some of the needs from the school district. But for now, we're live in Waterbury. Lisette Nunez, Fox 61 News.